Hello financial fans, take a look at some issues here in which a person could invest. I'm not a financial advisor, and any money that you risk into the stock market can be lost. And also we can have the opposite occur, and the stocks can go up, and we want to, if possible, buy low and sell high. And we'll look at a couple of issues here. One will be an exchange traded fund, which is not a stock, but it trades like a stock. And the other is a stock with the symbol TTE. Let's begin there. And TTE stands for Total Energies SE. It's New York Stock Exchange stock that trades. And the current price is $70.89, which is good for me. I bought this stock on July 2nd. Bought a few shares for $68.48, so I am ahead on my investment so far. Never know what's going to happen. I'm not a financial advisor, and any money that is invested in the stock market can be lost. Column on the left, this is a page from Yahoo. Yahoo has lots of good information filled pages for anyone who wants to check any stock. And 2/3 of the way down, column on the left, 52-week range, $56.12 was the low, and $74.97 was the high during the past 52 weeks. And it's I guess somewhere in the middle, but closer to the high for the past 52 weeks as of right now, with the price of $70.89. In the middle column, third item down, you see the PE ratio 8. I like that. That's a good PE ratio, a good low PE ratio. And we look a little further down, you see the forward dividend and yield, almost 5% is what you get for holding on to the stock, 4.78%. So this we never know well in advance what's going to happen, but we might do well with this particular stock. Next, we're going to look at an exchange traded fund, ETF, S&P 500. This is a way to buy 500 stocks all at once in a fund, and it's an exchange traded fund. It trades just like a stock, and the symbol is SPY. I've owned some stock in SPY for a long time, and it's not the stock, of course, but it's a fund. But I've invested in this for probably the past year or two anyway. And the symbol SPY, price per share $554.64. and if we look at the 52-week range, we see that this stock was, or this fund, was as low as $409.21 and as high as $555.05. But we'll look on the page, on the column in the center, and I'm going to ignore the PE ratio on this one because this is 500 different companies, and I don't keep track of the PE ratio of my exchange traded funds. What I look at instead is the expense ratio down near the bottom of the middle column. The expense ratio 0.09, very low expense ratio. But the other thing I want to look at, about halfway down the column in the middle, YTD daily total return. YTD year to date. This fund is up 17.43% year to date, which means if it performs as well in the second half of the year as it did in the first half, it'll be right around 34% that it is gaining on the year. We will have to wait and watch and see what happens. This is an election year, and crazy things could happen. And in the meantime, buy low, sell high, and I thank you very much for watching.